Hey guys, in today's video, make the way to the best AI tools that you can depend on to create your own YouTube thumbnails and then make them professional for your YouTube videos. So now let's get started. And the first website here, gemini.google.com, and of course especially Nano Banana model. Here simply you can insert your own prompt, then it gives me this amazing YouTube thumbnail as you see just in few seconds with no effort at all, just with overlay text, amazing vibe, surroundings, graphics, lighting as you see. So that you can actually depend on Gemini.google to create your own YouTube thumbnails like a professional. And of course you can get this amazing prompt, detailed prompt from ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen and the like. And the second website, of course, you can go to opal.google. Here you can create your application as I did before to create my own application for Pinterest pins. And of course, you can create your own application to create YouTube thumbnails just in few seconds. And of course, just to leave this video explaining Opal, how you can build your own application completely for free. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. And the third website quickly, you can head over to aistudio.google.com. Of course, I just talked about how you can use the power of Nano Banana Pro to create high quality applications for your own purpose. Like this one, for example, Thumbnail Genius. Just insert here your title of your video, then click over this button, generate, and here you can find amazing YouTube thumbnail as you want. And of course, just talked about how you can create these amazing applications for free on AI Google Studio. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. And the next website quickly, head over to playground.com, one of the best AI image generators here. But here you can depend on templates done for you, templates to create your own images. It could be logos, t-shirts, social media posts, art, poster, cards, stickers, mockups, YouTube thumbnails as you want. Thus here you can go to, so here you can just upload your own an image of a YouTube thumbnail, or you can get a YouTube thumbnail for inspiration from Pinterest.com or anything else. So I just tested out this way, upload an image like this one. Then here you can actually describe anything that you want for this YouTube thumbnail to create new and unique YouTube thumbnail to wow your audience. Anything you want to remove, anything to change, to replace these overlay text with another's, and so on. Okay, perfect. So this website is playground.com. And the next website quickly, that is for preview your thumbnail live on YouTube. So testmythumbnails.com. Here you can use this amazing free tool to just check how awesome your YouTube thumbnail among different videos on YouTube feed. So you can upload your image here, upload like this one, and then you can find your own video like on home feed of YouTube as you observe. Is it attractive or no? So here you can size view on different devices, tablet, mobile, as you see, as you want. Dark mode, shuffle, reset, or the best, you can actually upload here another YouTube thumbnail to check AP testing, which one is more performing and more attractive for you in your eyes. So this website, testmythumbnails.com. And the next quickly, of course, likewise for thumbnail preview, upload here your own image like this one, insert your title, anything quickly, and preview, and just in few seconds here you can find your own YouTube video on the live mode of YouTube to compare between your video and different videos on YouTube like this one, randomly. Perfect, isn't it? With on different devices. Amazing. And the next website quickly, that is for downloading your YouTube thumbnail in HD. So insert here your link of your YouTube video. Then you can find here full HD for downloading. And the next website quickly, of course, canva.com. Here you can depend on to create your own YouTube thumbnail as you want, just by drag and drop as you like. And the next tool, affinity.studio, the latest application from Canva head-to-head competitor to Photoshop. And here, it's a free tool that outperforms every single software for designing, as you see. And of course, with just a little learning curve. And of course, I will talk about this amazing application details later on in this channel. And the next website quickly, of course, pinterest.com, to get huge amounts of these inspiration ideas to create your own YouTube thumbnails with different styles, with different vibes, as you observe. Of course, you can find many websites out there to get inspired with. You can find this amazing and super list you can find down below in the first comment and description box. And now let's move on to the next website quickly. That is, go to Chrome Web Store and find Screenshot YouTube. Here you can take any moment of your YouTube video as a screenshot, or you can use it later on as a YouTube thumbnail, as you see. You can take an exact moment of your YouTube video to create high definition and high quality amazing YouTube thumbnail. Screenshot. And the next tool quickly, of course, that is Scoosh.app. Here you can use this amazing application or this website to resize your YouTube thumbnail, to make it a post on YouTube, to make it as a feature image on your blog post, talking about the same topic of your YouTube video as you want. And even better, here you can find amazing features to actually compress your image. So for example, here you can upload your image like this one. Then you can find this option to resize your image. Okay. Reduce palette, compress your own image, different options. The last tool you can depend on to create high quality YouTube thumbnails, of course, is ChatGPT. Here you can ask for getting high quality overlay text. Just you can find suggestions to create your own YouTube thumbnail more understanding for your audience regarding your topic and your niche. And of course, you can find all these websites and all their links. You can find all of them gathered in one link. You can find this link down below in the first comment and description box. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.